Welcome to Factful Finance, where smart money moves are made simple. Here's a question for you. What if I told you that artificial intelligence is quietly building empires behind the scenes? Not in the future, but right now. And that you could tap into it without needing a PhD, a coding background, or a Silicon Valley zip code. This is part 16 of our series on how to make money with AI. And today, we're diving deep into a powerful, yet often misunderstood tool in the wealth-building arsenal, using AI for product research and market trends. If you've ever wondered how influencers, e-commerce pros, and digital entrepreneurs are spotting winning products before they go viral, this is it. AI is the secret weapon, and today, you're going to learn exactly how to use it like a pro. Let's start by understanding why this matters. In the age of information overload, timing is everything. A Harvard Business School case study showed that companies that adopted data-driven decision-making saw productivity gains of up to 6%. That's massive. And when it comes to product research, speed and precision mean profit. You're not just selling a product, you're meeting a market demand before it peaks. That's how fortunes are built. But here's the trap most people fall into. They rely on guesswork. Or worse, they copy competitors without understanding why something is trending. AI flips that model upside down. It doesn't guess, it predicts based on hard data. Let's break down how to use it. First, start with trend identification. Tools like Google Trends and Exploding Topics use natural language processing to detect rising interest before it hits mainstream consciousness. For instance, when Eliza, an online boutique owner from Austin, noticed a spike in searches for aesthetic desk organizers, she didn't just order inventory blindly. She fed that trend into an AI product research tool called Trend Hunter, cross-referenced Amazon and TikTok analytics through tools like Jungle Scout and TikTok Creative Center, and spotted a sub-trend, minimalistic pastel organizers. She jumped on it early and cleared $42,000 in sales in just 6 weeks. Here's why that worked. She understood the AI wasn't just feeding her data. It was uncovering patterns, consumer behaviors, psychological triggers, seasonal timing. These insights used to take teams of analysts and months of market testing. Now, you can unlock them in minutes. Now, let's talk about competitive analysis. Most people compare surface-level metrics, price, reviews, star ratings. But AI tools like Helium 10 or AMZ Scout go deeper. They use machine learning to analyze velocity, how fast a product is moving up in rank, what keywords are actually driving conversions, and even inventory fluctuations from sellers. That means you're not reacting, you're forecasting. You're seeing the chessboard 5 moves ahead. Take Marcus, for example, a former warehouse manager from Detroit. He used AI to compare keywords on Etsy and Shopify for personalized baby gifts. While most sellers were stuck on custom onesie, AI revealed a hidden gem: milestone baby blanket. Low competition, high search intent. He built a product around that, added a print-on-demand integration, and within 3 months replaced his 9-to-5 income. Let's pivot to pricing strategy, because research isn't just about what to sell, but how to price it. AI-based pricing tools like Presync or Price2Spy analyze not just competitor prices, but elasticity curves, how consumers respond to small price changes in real time. That means you're not guessing if $24.99 is better than $22.99. You're optimizing. And here's where the game changes for those of you serious about scaling. Demand forecasting. Platforms like Shopify's AI-powered analytics or enterprise tools like IBM Watson allow even solo entrepreneurs to simulate inventory cycles, predict supplier delays, and adjust product launches based on weather patterns, holidays, even TikTok virality. That's not science fiction. That's 2025 business intelligence, and it's available to you today. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but isn't AI complicated? That's the best part. It's not anymore. These platforms are increasingly plug-and-play. You don't need to write a line of code. You just need the right mindset and the right questions. In fact, the most valuable skill you can develop isn't technical. It's strategic curiosity. The ability to ask, what's about to take off? Why now? Who's being underserved? Let's say you're launching a dropshipping store. Instead of searching best dropshipping products, you train ChatGPT or Claude to analyze Amazon bestseller trends by category, layer in sentiment analysis from Twitter and Reddit using tools like Brand24, and then feed all of that into a visual mind map of buyer pain points. You're not picking from a list, you're building your own gold mine. This works for service businesses too. If you're a freelance copywriter like Priya from Toronto, use AI to scrape Upwork job postings, analyze which niches are growing, and tailor your pitch. That's not marketing, that's microeconomics applied through AI. And for those of you who want to go even deeper, look into AI-powered consumer segmentation tools like SparkToro or Quantcast. These don't just tell you what's trending, they tell you who's buying, why they're buying, and what else they're likely to buy next. That's how big brands build loyalty. Now you can do it too. Here's a bonus tactic for the serious players. Use AI to reverse engineer product development. Feed Amazon's top reviews, both positive and negative, into ChatGPT and ask, what are customers loving? What's missing? What product could combine the best features and fix the common complaints? That's how innovation happens, not in boardrooms, but in comment sections. All of this is possible because we're standing at the intersection of machine learning and consumer behavior. It's no longer about who has the most money, it's about who has the best data. Or more precisely, who knows how to use that data. But let's keep it real. AI is a tool, not a magic wand. It doesn't replace due diligence, ethical business practices, or solid financial planning. That's why it's critical to integrate these strategies with risk management frameworks from the Chartered Financial Analyst CFA curriculum and stay aligned with global e-commerce tax regulations like those from the IRS or VAT rules in the EU. Always track expenses, allocate profit wisely, and reinvest based on actual ROI, not hype. So here's the bottom line. Product research and market trend analysis aren't just buzzwords. They're your competitive advantage. With AI, you don't need to be a billion-dollar brand to play at a billion-dollar level. You just need to be informed, intentional, and fast. If you're already using AI tools, what's worked best for you? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. And if you're just getting started, which strategy are you excited to try first? And remember, this content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. If this gave you the clarity and confidence to start making smarter business moves, wait until you see what we're covering next. You do not want to miss it. Tap the next video on screen. It's going to blow your mind.